Let's take some time to congratulate Senor Ferrarons for winning the Excel Award.
I feel very, very honored. I love this job. I love working here, and I especially love the school immersion program. It's been such a learning experience for me, not only for them but for me too. And I believe so much in this program that for me, this is not only for me as a teacher, but also for what this program means for us. I think it's incredible the change that this program is making in all these students. These students next year, they're taking the AP test in ninth grade, which is incredible that they're going to take a Spanish AP test in ninth grade.
Woohoo!
They're the second generation of our, some of them are the second generation. The ones that come from Valley Crest are the second generation that are going to take this test.
Wow.
So I don't know, I feel so proud of them and so happy for them.
And we're proud of you, and we're grateful to you for the service that you're providing here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.